Hi guys, it's Rory from Made to Move. So is your chest tightness a problem for your shoulder pain? So we know that if there's tight upper fibres of the chest predominantly or pec minor, then this often can put the shoulder into its non-optimal position, which tends to be a forward lean. So any mix of rowing, pressing or pushing is going to lead to some alterations in the biomechanics of that shoulder. So what we're going to do is some stretches and some active mobilization techniques that you can incorporate into your warm-up and your cool-down to ensure that your chest tightness doesn't become a causing factor. You can actively release the pec minor if it could be a contributing factor to this kind of forward rolling position of the shoulder joint. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the ball onto the squat rack. You could use a door lining as well. And what you're going to do is just where you find the shoulder joint head, you're going to fall just in towards the pec, and you'll feel there's like a groove that's sitting in there. So when you place the ball in so, you can then pin it against the door lining or the squat rack, and you're just going to go through an internal rotation of the shoulder and come out into an external rotation of the shoulder. So you're just going to do nice and gentle whilst you're pinning that tissue. It's coming backwards and forwards, and each time you want to try and get a bit further on that external rotation. Okay, once you've done 5 or 6, locate another spot around the pec or around the chest muscle, and then just pinning that and stretching forward more. And each time, again, reaching out and getting that end range. Okay, so part of your cool down, you want to make sure that you're doing some static stretching to restore some muscle length post-training. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to start targeting the chest muscles from 3 different phases. Okay, so phase 1, we're going to look at hand at shoulder height. We're going to take the lead leg on the same side as what the arm's attached to the bar. And what we're going to do is step forwards, okay, until you feel a nice traction coming through into the front of the shoulder, into the chest. And then you're going to increase that intensity by turning your torso away from the arm. Phase 2, we're going to look at sliding the hand up. And we're going to have a slight bend in the arm, and again with that same lead leg we're just going to take that glide forwards, and you'll feel it coming through the lower part of the chest. And again, turn that torso away to increase that intensity. So the final phase of this, we're going to then stretch the upper part of the chest. So the way we're going to do is place the hand below shoulder height,